I've have had this on the channel before, but I thought we would unbox it. This is the GC 1200 200 kit. We're going to crack it open. This is factory sealed. Take a look at the artwork on the box before we do. Just love these little kits. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. I know you said I can't either. But for you guys on the channel, you know, I'm going to do some crazy stuff this year. So we're going to look at some vintage things, do some stuff together, and have a good time. Enjoy life, right? You can't take it with you. You might as well enjoy it. Here it is. There's the artwork with the plastic off. It shows up a little bit better. Dual engine dragster, RRRambulance. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. First time opened. I love that old model car smell. This is really neat. Dual engine hearse dragster. This is just the way it came. This is the way they packed it at the factory. We're opening it up and showing it to you. Chrome pieces, directions. Try to set this up a little bit better so you guys can see it. There we go. This is the way it would have come. There's the body, chassis, interior bucket, the glass, decals. There's the parachute, the wheels, engine, some more body parts. This had dual engines, the dash, rear gate, just the way it came from the factory. 4 tires, they are marked. I can't make out the marking from the angle that I'm at. Another passenger seat, second engine and roll bar. There's some loose parts in here, a couple wheels, some steering stuff, you know, stuff that came off the tree, cylinder head, oil pan. But that's the way it came. That's the way it came from the factory. These kits are hard to find and few and far between for sure. So I thought you would really enjoy kind of seeing what the kits look like. I did build a kit a few years back. I showed it on the channel previously, but I'm going to show it to you guys now again, just so you have the pleasure of seeing the kit, seeing it built. I did this one to emulate the box art. It has the dual engine. There's the engine in the back. There's the chassis, what the chassis looks like underneath. It's a neat old kit. I knocked the parachute off, but that was the gate, the rear gate with the parachute. So we did it. We unboxed it just for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it and it was worthwhile visiting the channel. Show you a couple other kits that I've got that I just picked up. I want to build. I'm a big Zingers fan. I bought the Zingers kit. This one is open. It had been started, kind of. So I'm going to build this later on this winter. Not much of a winter though. We don't have too much snow. Normally we get a lot of snow. It's been kind of a different year. I also picked up an AMT diamond reel. I don't usually build trucks, but I really like this truck. I thought it was kind of neat. AMT made it. I don't know if they make it now or not. This is an older kit. I also picked up the nostalgic drag set with the Cougar, the Bronco, and the trailer. Really like that kit. Kind of neat. So those are the 2 kits I picked up in the unboxing of the Johan RRRambulance. I'm starting a diecast channel. I wasn't sure. I was kind of conflicted about whether to do diecast on this channel or to start another channel just dedicated to diecast. I'm going to kind of put it out there to you guys what you think. If I would incorporate some diecast videos into the series and just keep the one channel, or start another channel and just dedicate it to diecast cars. So depending on the kind of, if I get feedback, I'll make a decision going forward with that. So thanks for stopping by, visiting this week. Got a lot more coming up on the channel. I'm working on the gassers, the 64, 63 Chevy gassers, the diorama, I'm still doing that. And got a couple other projects in the work that I'll be sharing. I'm finishing up a Clod Buster that I'll be showing on the channel upcoming. I did a custom vintage build Clod Buster with a bunch of vintage parts, and I'll be showing you that. So that's coming together and coming to completion. And I hope you guys have building. Keep sharing your videos. Always like to see everybody's builds. Thanks again for visiting Mr. Upscale's Vintage Blog.